POTA pipe. Let's pipe in some RF and CQs. Okay, I've seen some Reddit users asking the same question I had in mind. What do you store your Wolf River Coil Silverbolt 1000 in? This is what I chose after a little bit of consideration. This is about the cheapest route you can do. This was $21. All put together at Lowe's. Didn't have to have a drill, no saws, no nothing. This is a 3-inch Schedule 40 sewer pipe test cap. And a 2-foot section, I believe this was, of 3-inch Schedule 40 sewer pipe. We got the test cap on each end with just a little bit of paracord. And in here is, I got the Take It Along kit, but that's got 3 33-foot radials. Has the 102-inch whip that comes with it. And we dump the rest out here. The Silverbolt 1000 with the ground kit, 12-inch aluminum rods. And I've had 0 issues with the wind toppling that over even on uneven ground. And then I keep a wash rag for night operations when the dew falls. You can wipe that off. And these are really good quality caps. You just push that in there, screw that down, and it don't go nowhere. So yeah, that's what I do to hold mine. $21. And then just a little bit of paracord I already had on hand. And then a little bit of vinyl if you want to fancy it up. Have a blessed day and happy tinkering.